Bad migao mochung'ne chenro ma keyo pi puothe koni gedo mar Mwache Dam mageto keyo pi kaunti ma Mombasa kod Kwale biro rumo higa ma 2027. Midhiero mosebedo kwako gedo mar yawono ne ochakore higa ma 2023 ka koni en ywaruok mag weche chudo ne weg lope mag gedono dhi nyime. Jojaoko nigi ler.
Mwache Dam is a dam that started in March 2023 and is going to be completed by August 2027. It's going to be supplying over 186,000 cubic liters of water to Mombasa County.
Mano jagoro mongirore bad migao mar piny owacho mochung'ne keyo pi puothe Fantas Kimotho ka koni midhiero mar nok mar pi mokwako tend kaunti ma Mombasa kidek rumo higa 2027 bang' tieko gedo mar yawo mar adhaye midendo ni Mwache Dam migero e kaunti ma Kwale.
It also has other components which are going to be beneficial to Kwale County. One of them is Kwale Urban, which was used to supply 1,000 cubic liters. Now it will be supplying 9,000 cubic liters. This dam also has another component which we call it the lower check dam. The lower check dam is going to be used to do irrigation, which will be beneficial to the people of county. We are doing water pans. So far we've done 8 water pans, which are going to be very helpful. So the dam is basically going to be very beneficial to the Mombasa region and more so Kwale County.
Jatelo no koni midhiero mosebedo kokwako chenro no en wach ywaruok mag lope e kind jogo monego chul ma chenro no omako puothegi. Olero ne moko kuom gionge oboke mag lope ka anyuola mamoko bende pod nitiere kod ywaruok ewi jogo monego chul.
One of the biggest challenges that we've had around this area when constructing this dam was actually the issue of compensation. The whole bill for compensation was amounting to 4.6 billion. 1.6 billion had already been paid in the previous administration. The current administration actually came up with an extensive plan of paying the balance, which is 3 billion. And so far of that, 1 billion has already been paid and people have already been compensated. The balance of 2 billion, today also, we came with the NLC team. That so far they've gotten an additional 600 million, which they are going to start dispersing. Then after that, beginning July, the balance of 1.4 billion will be dispersed, and we expect all the PAPs to be paid by December 2025. Right now, we are actually at 36%.
Jatelo no kata kamano singo ni chudo go duto ibiro tieki kochopo Disemba higani, ka gedo mar yawono to igeno ni biro rumo higa 2027. Ne Radio Ramogi e kaunti ma Mombasa, an George Aoko.